In today's video we will share with you the hair shampoo for frizzy and damaged hair. The results shows just one wash, your hair will shiny, straight and super silky. To making this DIY, you will need shampoo. Take a clean bowl and add 3 tablespoons of shampoo. Use paraben and sulphate-free shampoo. Now add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix it well. Add in this 2 tablespoons coconut oil or castor oil. It depends on your hair. If you have oily hair, you should use castor oil. If you have dry hair, use coconut oil. The quantity of coconut oil is 2 tablespoons, and the quantity of castor oil is 1 tablespoon. Coconut oil can penetrate the hair shaft and disintegrate fungi, prevented dandruff. Coconut oil is really good for your hair texture. Transfer mixture in a clean jar. Adjust ingredients according to your hair length. This remedy makes your hair long, shiny, straight and super silky. It's very effective. This remedy works really well to regrow the hair directly from the roots. Let me tell you how to use. Apply it on your hair, massage your scalp. It removes the dirt and also improve the blood circulation, which increase hair thickness. And wash your hair with water. If you feel your hair is greasy, wash it with a cup of apple cider vinegar. You can use it twice or thrice a week. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.